Hi, my name's Rhonda Ross. I'm going to be doing an acrylic dirty pour or something like that. I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. I only have about a half hour. Let's see what I can get done. I already have my paints poured. I try to do about 2 parts Liquitex pouring medium to 1 part acrylic paint. Sometimes I add a little distilled water if I need to. And today I'm going to be using some dimethicone, which I found in coconut milk serum. So let's see. I found these little cups, which shot glasses. No, I'm not drinking today. I'm going to try to use a couple of those. I wanted to see what it would look like if I do cups in different directions. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet, but we'll see. So let's see. I'm going to start by, I have a bunch of different colors here. I don't think people really pay attention to the name of your colors, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do some. So I'm just going to pour some blue and kind of put in, it's important that you don't put too much of the dimethicone. And my goal today is sometimes I do too much. I move it around too much. I just do too much to my paintings instead of just letting it be. Less is more. That's my goal for this painting. So I'm kind of using some blues and some purples and some greens. I'm going to put some white. I think I'm going to pour white around the pores. I hope I have enough of that. I'm kind of using some leftover paint that I have. So the tricky thing about this is going to be, because I'm putting more than one pour down, what that is going to look like. But I'm using a 16 by 20 canvas here. So the first one I can do like I normally do. Let me turn that one over. Okay. Okay, so how am I going to put my other one on there? I'm just going to get another shot glass. No, I'm not drinking. Okay, so I've got this green that I want to use. Let's put some green in there. We put some purple. Some whites. Don't know if I want to use black yet. We'll see. I got an idea I just got in my head for the black. I've got some black set aside that I have dimethicone already mixed into it. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I just have a piece of paper, and to do the flip, let's see, what hand should I do this with? I think I'm more comfortable doing it this way. I'm gonna try to flip it over like that, and then push it over on my canvas. That worked out okay. And then let's see what else I have over here. That might be enough paint, but this is all the white that I have, so I don't know if that's going to be enough. Okay, I think I'm gonna get my scissors. I recently saw this. I am going to cut this cup up, excuse me. And that was a horrible job, so let me do that again. Try this one. It's a little better. I'm kind of just thinking of this while I go along. So, let's see. This is me thinking as I go along. This is my dimethicone that has the red black that already has the dimethicone in it. Maybe that would look cool if I put it in there and kind of swish it around. Nope, I don't think I want to do that. The other day, I was at this store and I found these little test tubes. Plastic test tubes. Oops, I just got a little water on there. And I think I'm going to fill this up. I tried this the other day. Looks like there's some water in there. Whoops, let me find one without water. So again, this is just a test tube. It's a plastic test tube. I found it at this really cool shop in Champaign called the Idea Store. Okay, so I just filled that up with black paint that has dimethicone in it. And I'm going to set that aside. And I have another one. And I'm going to go ahead and pour another one of those, which I'm doing over here. Throw that away. So. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and pour this white, all that I have left, all around the outside, and try to get as much of that out. I wish I would have made a little more of that. And try to get that out to the edges. My white does not have dimethicone in it. Just kind of spreading it all around. I try not to worry about the edges so much because when I frame my pieces, the edges aren't going to really show anyway. like to go around and kind of just go like this a little bit so it helps the paint go over the sides. After I just said I don't worry about that. It helps. Wipe my gloves off just a little bit. Okay, so what I was wanting to try with this, and I don't know if this is if I'm gonna be sorry for this, but I wanted to try to slide this off. This is the black that has the dimethicone, and I just wanted to try to kind of like maybe create some sort of border. I don't know. And I do keep a bucket with soap in it, so I can just throw my stuff into it over there when I'm done. Start getting it clean. So some cells are already starting with the black. Pour this over here. I didn't want this to really look like a uniform kind of thing. So we'll see there. Okay, now I'm going to do the actual pours. And my goal is just to kind of do them in different directions. Maybe, I don't know. There's one. I throw this in my bucket. It's very handy. And then my goal of less is more. I think I did way too much. We'll see.